Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create your own user avatar card, just like this. So over here, this is what we have. So when you click on it, something will pop up, as simple as this one. The first thing you need to do is to set up your HTML code. So we have a div with a class of card container. Then inside it, we also have another div with a class of card. And over here, we'll give it a data attribute with ID of 1. Then we also have a div with a class of card underscore header. Then over here is our image tag. So this one is the source where the image is located. Then the auth attribute, if the image fails to load, to display this one. And over here, this one is our card class. We have card underscore avatar. This is our body. So we have the h2, we have the p tag, and we have the uh, bio. So which is this one, and this one is just our social icon, which is showing here. As you can see here, this is the LinkedIn and GitHub. Okay. Now this is what I do after creating the HTML. I declare some style here, so I inline style. So I use inline style. And after that, I attach a JavaScript to it. So when the document load, then I get all the API for the elements. Then I loop through the card. So there is it. I loop through all the cards. So I use for each. So when the user click on the view profile button, which is this one. So when the user click on it, what I'll do is that I'll just get the text content, text bio, the skills. The skills are this one: JavaScript, React, Node.js. That is the skills. So I'll just loop through to get all the skills and display it inside this one, the models code or inner HTML, which is this one. Just display it. Okay. Then when the user click outside, just hide the model. And when the user click on, so let me show you, it's two. So when I click here, the user click on this one, right? So this is what this model close is doing. So when the user click on it, just hide it. And also when the user click anywhere outside, so have you seen? Okay, so now some pro tips. Use variables. What do I mean? Use CSS variable to define color variable in your CSS, as I've done here. To define color variable in your CSS to maintain consistency and make future updates easy. And the next thing I also advise you do is that optimize your images. Compress avatar image to improve loading time, especially for user on cellular network. Thanks for watching my video. Happy coding.